Make a competitive affiliate marketing plan with these suggestions. If you have been looking for a way to use your website to produce more income, an affiliate marketing program may be just the ticket. Setting up an affiliate program can be done quite easily, and an effective program will bring in revenue with little effort. This video will show you how to get started. Consider weekly or monthly prizes. Visitors will keep coming back to your site to see what the prize is. Don't forget to keep their interest by providing relevant information that they want to learn about. This is also a good way to get sign-ups to your newsletter. Tell them you will notify them about the prize through email. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. Recording videos demonstrating a product can greatly increase your amount of customers. Once you develop loyal followers of your marketing videos, you can then sell the affiliate content more assertively. If you create engaging and informative content, customers are much more likely to develop an affinity for your product. One of the biggest drawbacks in affiliate marketing is overreaching. If you are overworked, you will undoubtedly begin to fail at your task, so always remember that it's best to set micro goals for each day instead of attempting to plan your itinerary weeks or months in advance. Start on the smallest of levels, micromanaging your routine, and then you can expand as you progress. Some affiliate companies will want you to sign an exclusivity clause, but you should avoid doing this. Pay attention to the fine print in any affiliate agreement. If you ever want to branch out and use your site to promote other products, make sure the company you're choosing now will not try to prohibit your growth in the future. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront, and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. To succeed at affiliate marketing, you should always try out any product you are recommending first. This will help you to write an honest recommendation rather than a sales pitch that sounds phony. It also gives you an idea of what steps your customers will go through, and you can offer tips to make sure they complete the transaction. As you have seen, it can be remarkably easy to get started with an affiliate marketing program. By using the techniques in this video, you will be able to avoid many of the most common pitfalls so that you can get the most from your program. Put what you have learned to use and get started today. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.